make sure that we have a safe chair that's not going to roll out on us. It's solid, it's stable, it's not going to collapse on us. I don't want the chair falling backwards. For these squats, we're allowed to use hands on the knees to help brace. But the big thing here is I want to go slow to find the chair. And I want to make sure that I'm not falling backwards and I'm not plopping. So I'm less concerned about actually getting to the chair to start with. I want to kind of work to see how deep can we go with control. So nice inhale, and we're seeking the chair, reaching our hips back. Those hands can come on knees to add a little bracing. And we're getting as low as we can under control without plopping. Now, if you can get to where you can feel the chair underneath, we're going to go ahead and stand right up. I don't want to load. I don't want to put our weight into the chair for just yet. I want to see how close can we get to the chair. Are you off the chair this much? This is a high amount. I don't want to drop from there. So if this is as low as you can get for now, then this is low as we're getting into our squat, and we're coming right back up. If you're able to get to the chair and feel that tap, I want to tap, I want to hold it for a second, and then I want to come right back up. And we're going to do 5, 10 reps. And I want to introduce this movement as something that you can do throughout the day. Every time you come to your workstation or when you get up from your workstation, you can add some squats, 5 to 10 reps. Add a squat, stand back up. The more you work on this, if you find difficulty getting up and down off the floor, it's going to build some of that leg strength, some of that core strength, and you're going to find within a week or two, you're able to get to the chair with ease, and that's going to mean you're going to feel better going up and down stairs. You're going to feel a lot more confident on your feet because you're going to have better leg and strength support. And then we can start working on the next level of progression.